Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. We see that k equals to number 1. That means they start at k equals to number 1 and they stop at k equals to number 5 in the summation. So that means we have cosine of 1b plus cosine 2b plus cosine 3b plus cosine 4b and cosine 5b. After we got this one, we can calculate this one cosine b. That is about negative number 1. Cosine 2b, that is about number 1. This one, that is about negative number 1. Positive number 1, negative number 1. So we calculate this one and we have negative number 1. This is the end. Thank you for watching.